starting a little weekend vlog. It's Saturday. It's still pretty early, but I've been up for a bit. I'm going to play tennis. I'm very excited. I look tired, but I also have makeup on, and that's a weird combo that I feel like I haven't done in a while. Doing some journaling, and it's gonna be a fun weekend. Saturdays have been the best, so I thought I would take you guys with me. The laziest day, but I got a little treat. A soy protein vermicelli bowl for dinner, and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna go play tennis against a wall. I had to work myself up to do this because I've never played tennis against a wall before, so I'm like, am I gonna suck? I don't know, it feels a little intimidating. But I watched some drills online to mentally prepare myself, and if I suck, I suck. Okay, guys. The courts were busy, but I went, and that's what matters. I'm gonna go tomorrow, I think, in the morning, or like midday, because I'm lucky that my schedule is somewhat flexible, so it's like not a big deal if I go at like 10 a.m. when I feel like most people are busy. I just picked up this little vegan spicy kimchi, some vegan cream cheese, like a teriyaki sauce, because I'm gonna make the same vermicelli bowl that I ordered yesterday, but I'm gonna try to make it at home. I have like soy protein isolate, and I want to figure out how they make it, because when I order from this place, it's called Five Spice, it's so good. They have such good vegan pho and the vermicelli bowl. So we're gonna have a little night in, and I'm glad I at least went out to try to play, because my anxiety has lessened about it. I know I can go and I'll just have a good time.
That we do have
to say that words matter.
Using direct, and all of them are designed to help get when it escalate to the things that we're seeing in the news, like verbal and physical assault and other more extreme forms of harassment. So if you're afraid to intervene directly, or you're afraid to make things worse, see if there's another thing that you can do, like delegate, ask somebody else for help, or maybe you try on you and say, I saw that. Always.
Sometimes it's rough. As an adult, I've used direct.
Guys, that was truly so helpful. It's a free course for a bystander intervention training. I know it can be really difficult. I think it can be really difficult, scary, like when you see things happening, to even intervene, but I think it's such a powerful way to like help people out. And this was just really empowering in, you know, you have to prioritize your own safety, but also giving you tools and tips and going over scenarios and thinking about how you would respond in those scenarios. Any types of racism, sexism going on at any point in time. I think this was just really important. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys wanna check it out. It's free. There's also a place to donate, which I definitely recommend. doing if you have the funds to. Yeah, like I left it feeling really empowered, and it feels good to like take at least like small like actual actions with everything that is going on right now. So definitely recommend. Okay guys, today we're just gonna take an L, you know, like sometimes you just have to take the L. You throw in the towel a little bit early, you go to bed a little bit early, and you try again tomorrow. That's how I feel about today. I'm definitely beating myself up a little bit in my head. Yeah, just a little TW, a little trigger warning. I'm about to talk about my body. Interesting thing, so this is just like, I've been realizing that like around the same time every month, I start to just like feel really shit about what I look like and what my body looks like. And you know, I definitely quarantine added on a few for sure, which is fine. Like it was enough that one day I was like, oh, like, you know, some of my clothes fit a little differently. Anyhow, but my point actually was that it's always right before my period hits is when I actually am like feeling so negatively. And I started using, not just for this, but I started using just all around the Flow app. I started using the Flow app, which is actually really cool. I'm like hitting my next cycle with it where I've been logging it over the month. And I'm realizing that I'm like 3 days out with my period, and my boobs are really swollen, and like my whole body just feels like kind of bloated and weird. And I just thought that was also interesting, just like how much your hormones and like your cycle affects just everything. But I really do actually like this app. I know so many people have suggested it to me in the past. Can log any symptoms throughout the month, and it gives you like little reminders of like, by the way, right now you might be experiencing this because this is where you are in your cycle, and here's like just like cool tips. So I think that that's a cool app that I would suggest investing in if that sounds interesting to you and if you have a period. Tomorrow is gonna be a busy day. I am going to get my second vaccine, and I am grateful. I'm a little nervous because I know that my first reaction was a bit more intense than a lot of people I had spoken to, so we'll see how the second one goes. Right, vlog, got some work done today. I'm about to leave to go get my second vaccine, so wish me luck. I hope this one does not kick my ass as hard as the first one did. Pray for me. It's nice out today. And then I'm gonna run some errands after really quick, hopefully before any pain kicks in. Hee hee. Dinner. It's early, but I feel like I need to go to bed tonight at like 9 p.m. probably. And I make this little Green Chef meal, which is today's sponsor. They work with me every month, and I love them. Peanut udon noodle bowls. It's gonna come together in 25 minutes, which sounds perfect.
So if you haven't heard of Green Chef, they're a USDA certified organic company, and they offer meals for a variety of different lifestyles like vegan, vegetarian, keto, and paleo. I'm such a big fan of their plant-powered boxes. I think eating plant-based is a really good idea, and it's good for everyone. They make it super, super easy to do that because their kits come with everything you need to make literally such good meals. Their sauces are always amazing and bring everything together so well. and they always taste like restaurant quality. But yeah, they take all the hard work out. It's delivered right to your door. They offset all of their shipping, and they really have a focus on sustainably sourced ingredients as well as organic ingredients in each kit. I think learning to cook at home is such an important life skill, and yeah, it just makes me happy making such good meals. If you want to check them out, you can go to greenchef.us/90 where I live and use the code 90 where I live to get $90 off and free shipping on your first box.
Some sort of leadership on this team.
Oh my god.
After several attempts of her,
I always feel like, oh yeah, this is gonna taste like a normal meal. Even though I've had these Green Chef meals so many times, every time I try a new one, I take a bite and I'm actually like flabbergasted at how good it tastes. I think it really just must be the sauces, and it's like the small details that are in it that I feel like really, like it tastes way better than when I make something. But this is
Hey guys, next day. Got a little fun mail. I got my farm box and also a June Shine re-up on the low, guys. I use my own code. I don't think that's wrong, right? Like, you're supposed to support yourself. And I wanted a little discount buying June Shine. So I said, why not? It's my first online purchase. So I got quite a few. This will last me for 1 second. Just kidding, it'll last me a while. Hard kombucha is my shit. Okay, oh, also, yeah, got my second vax yesterday. I was in pain last night. Like, so much pain. Not as much like sickness as the first time around at all, but like my arm was just throbbing all night long. I didn't take anything for it because I just like never over Advil. Like, I only take it if I really, really need to, but I took some this morning right when I woke up and immediately felt so much better, so I was stupid for not taking it last night, but that's the update. I'm gonna put these in my fridge and then I might drink one. It's like 3 p.m. At my face with that little thing. To post this video, I've been taking a little break off of videos. It was kind of unintentional, but I just needed to. I was feeling really uninspired, and I just like, I didn't want to put up things that were not inspired, you know? Oh, baby.
This is how we play.
what are you doing, buddy?
Should we? Oh, good game, good game, good game. Good game, good game, good game, good game. This swipe your hand, but with tennis rackets. And you try to.
I would, but that sounds. It could be people. She plays tennis.
Up Roses, and I'm buying her old bike, guys. I just got a helmet. We went to the bike store. I'm gonna own my first bike. Starting this in like the darkest. Guys, sun's setting today. It's so lovely out. I had to get my camera to show you guys. Listen to The birds chirping. It was a gloomy day, but it's not too bad. When it still stays light outside, it's not too bad. The birds chirping every day, so nice. I definitely always feel a lot like calmer maybe when it's raining, but also lonelier. I don't know if that checks out, but just makes me want to get really cozy and watch a movie, go to bed early. Yeah. Wash my face real quick. How do you say Tata Harper? My girl, TT, my girl Tata. She's so good to me. Okay, I'm gonna do everything right tonight. We're putting magnesium on my belly so I sleep good. Sprays, a little sleep CBD. I'm behind schedule on bedtime, but we're still gonna go for it. 6 a.m. Here we come. Okay, I've been trying to wake up early for this video that I'm trying to start, and I just can't do it. I think I'm like getting closer and it'll be good, but I keep being like, I'm gonna wake up at 6 a.m. Like, I think it'll be really good for me to test this out because I want to start doing the series where I test out new things within wellness trends, and I just like can't get my ass out of bed. In my defense, like it takes me so long to go to bed at night, especially if I'm anxious about waking up in the morning. I'll stay up like last night until like 1 a.m. and then it's just like today I woke up at 7. That was, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna end this vlog here and then re-pick it up because today my friend Sabrina is coming to pick me up and I'm gonna go stay with her on Long Island for a few days this week, which sounds so fun. It's gonna be really nice to get out of the city for a bit. So I'm gonna be vlogging and I'm sure we're gonna go like thrifting and chill and it'll be really nice and beautiful. So stay tuned for the next one. If you want to check out Green Chef, you can go to greenchef.us/90 where I live and use the code 90 where I live to get $90 off and free shipping on your first box. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.